Orlando Pirates should recall Mona Pule Saleng in the upcoming January transfer window. Mona Pule Saleng is an Orlando Pirates attacker who's currently on loan at Orbit College. This is after Mona Pule Saleng had enjoyed a troublesome and difficult 2024-2025 season at Orlando Pirates, where he only played a handful of matches. Amongst those handful matches, it is the MTN 8 final against Stellenbosch, where he went on to score. This is despite Mulapule Seleng playing only a handful of matches. But to look at his numbers, when you look at the league and the MTN 8, because his last match for Orlando Pirates